So now we're going to take another look at CSS rule sets, and we're just going to go over what I already showed you quickly in the previous video. And this is something which you just have to ingrain in your mind. Okay, so you need to know this, and these are the different terms we use to talk about CSS. And so here you can see the HTML document, the structure of our web page, and then here you can see the CSS, the formatting of our web page. And we've connected CSS to HTML with this link rel style sheet, href main CSS. And you'll see how to do that as we continue building web pages. And then here is our CSS. And we're going to be talking about the CSS right here. This is a rule set, right? So that's the rule set right there. And this part right here is the selector. So you just need to know that's the selector. That's how we're selecting something on the page. Header is selecting header. This is an element selector. There's different selectors we can use. and this one is an element selector, right? Or a tag selector. You'll hear it talked about both ways. All right, so we're selecting all header elements in this document. There's only one, so we're selecting that one. If there's more, it would select all of them. So this is a rule set. That's the selector. Here is the declaration block. So we talk about code blocks in programming. Anything between curly braces is a block. So here is a code block. This is the declaration block. And inside the declaration block are declarations. And each declaration is made up of a property and a value. So there's the property, there's the value. That's it. That's what you need to know. So I want you to pause this video, and I want you to look at this right here, and I want you to name each of those parts. All right, so pause the video, name each of those parts. Have you done it? All right, cool. So you should have said this is the selector. It's a tag selector. There could be other types of selectors. Here is the declaration block. It holds declarations. There are all the declarations. And each declaration has a property and a value. So you need to know selector, declaration block, declarations, and each declaration has a property and a value. You need to know those 5 terms right there: selector, declaration block, declarations, properties. So, and values, those would be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are the 5. So again, pause the video and just connect each of these terms with the right area over here. And then once you've got that, move on.